Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to the 2020 Toyota Camry Trd V6 Performance Sedan. And this one is in the two-tone with the Blizzard Pearl and Midnight Black accents. And you can see it has the rear-mounted air deflector spoiler on it, as well as the lower spoiler, rear spoiler on the back with the double chrome finished exhaust system. You can see the TRD logo right there. This is a V6, and then the simulated vents on there, as well as the air deflector. You can see here the blacked out alloy wheels with the TRD logo and the red calipers. And then there's a side skirt right there with the red racing stripe on it. I'll show you the Monroney sticker right there. This is a performance model, and you can see here the wide lens right there. I'm going to come to the front so you can see the front scoop air deflector. That's the front spoiler and air deflector right there with the distinctive grille. This is a performance vehicle, very rare on the market. And it has the red and black stitched leather interior right there with the performance enhancements, your XM satellite radio, your backup camera, Alexa, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, etc. If you would like this rare automobile in your driveway, you want to call Chris Ogene at 202-607-9517. Again, the 2020 Toyota Camry Trd V6 Performance Sedan, available from Chris Ogene at 202-607-9517. Have a great day.